Hello dear students, so today we are going to learn about a new topic, that is reflection of light. So before starting this new topic, let's talk about light. Do you know what is light? Light is a form of energy which gives us the sensation of vision, which means whatever things around us, how we can see them? We can see them just because of the light. When the light rays falls on the object, that object reflects the light to our eyes, then only we are able to see the object. Now, one more important thing that I have to tell you, that we are having two kinds of things around us, that is luminous and non-luminous objects. Luminous objects are the objects which are having their own light, like sun, tube light, candle, many other objects, which produces their own light. Just because of that we can see that object. And second objects like this marker. How we can see this marker? Because the lights coming from the tube light are falling on this marker, and this marker reflecting the light to your eyes. That's why it is visible to you. This is an example of non-luminous object, which means it does not produce its own light. Clear? Two kinds of things. First one luminous and second one is non-luminous. So today's topic, as reflection of light, we will deal with the objects which does not produce their own light. They are visible just because of the reflection of light. Let's see. Here it is sun, which is an luminous object, a natural luminous object which produces its own light. So the sun rays falls on the plants, these are non-luminous. Then how the plants are visible to us? Because of the light produced by the sun falls on the plants, then plants reflect these light rays to our eyes, then the plants become visible. This is a non-luminous object which does not produce its own light, and the light rays coming from the sun are incident ray and the light reflected from the plant to our eyes are known as reflected rays. Then reflection takes place through two kinds of surfaces. Because of that we get two types of reflection. First one regular reflection and second one irregular reflection. As the name suggests, regular reflection happens to the smooth surface like a plane mirror, and irregular reflection happens to the surface which are not smooth, like the walls, our body, paper, book. These are the things which are not having smooth surface, so they produces irregular reflection. But the mirror through which we can see our face, we call it regular surface, or the reflection occur due to these kind of objects or smooth surfaces, we call it regular reflection. Clear up to this? Now, so what will be the definition of reflection of light? So the bouncing back of light after striking an object to the same medium like air, as you can see, this object is in air, the light rays coming on this. After striking this marker, they are again going to the same medium, that is air. We call it reflection. So the bouncing back of light rays after striking an object, suppose this is a surface, the light rays strikes the surface, then they bounce back to the same medium. So this is incident ray and these are reflected rays. Always try to mark the arrows for the light rays. These are the reflected rays. You can see these are the light rays striking the surface, then moving in this direction. So these are reflected rays and these are incident ray. Hope this is clear up to this. Now, as you can see, this reflection is smooth because the surface is smooth. Just take it as mirror. In the mirror, the surface is smooth. That's why this reflection is happening is regular. So, regular reflection. And in the case of irregular reflection, the surface is like that. The surface is like that. So when the light rays falling on the surface, they will go like this. So this kind of reflection is known as irregular reflection. This is the example of irregular reflection and this one is regular reflection. Hope through this diagram the difference between the regular reflection and the irregular reflection is clear.